In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the file name on any file. The first way, and the easiest way, is when you have a file on your desk. What you're going to do is you're going to change the name directly on the file. If you highlight the file and double-click slowly on the file, it'll allow you to change the name. And you can change it to whatever it is that you need it to, and then just press Enter, and the name will be changed. The second way to do this, if you click too quick, is if you press Enter, that'll also allow you to start changing the name. So you can change that name. A third way to change the name is if you open the file and it is a picture, you can come up to the name at the top of the file, click on that once, and that'll allow you to change the name. I suggest not changing the end part, just so that you know what kind of file type it is, but even if you do, it shouldn't be that much of a problem as long as you don't type in a different file type. So there we have it, 3 different ways that you can change this really quickly. You can also, as you have your file, you can come up to File, and you can often save as or duplicate. Sometimes it'll allow you to rename, such as it will in this one. If it's something like a Photoshop file or something like that, it's best to save it as and rename it there. It'll create a duplicate file, but you just have to delete the old file. Another way that you can change the name of your file is when you put your file into Google Drive, it'll already come with a name, but that's a very easy thing to change. All you have to do is right-click, and it'll bring up this menu, and you can come to rename. And you can name it into whatever it is that you need it to be. If you are working on your phone, oftentimes next to the file, there'll be 3 ellipses that allows you to go to more options. Kind of like how there's 3 ellipses here. Usually that 3 dots or 3 lines is a signifier for more options. And once you click on that more options, you should be able to rename your file. So now make sure that you keep your files organized and you keep them named in the way that keeps them best organized for you and for me.